Alright, I am unboxing my Aliexpress Yoshimura mufflers. Came from China. Let's hope they're not damaged. I like the green tarp they put it in. It's very catchy. Decent packaging. It's good. It's always a good sign. Not bad. I like how there's no decals on them too. There's the 62 to 51 millimeter adapter, and we are packed. Even put stuff inside. That's great. Get these right out of here. That remind you of anything? Me either. She's wide open. The only issue I have is I do not have a spring clip, or whatever you call them, on the receiving end, so set this down. There's the emblem. Official knockoff. Alright, let's check the other one. I believe these were $186 for the pair. So, I mean, I'm not a fucking rich guy by any means. If it looks nice and it's affordable, I buy it. I'm not trying to spend $2,000 on a set of friggin' mufflers for a $3,000 motorcycle. Just doesn't make any sense to me. Oh, there goes my vape. Alright, this one does not have the inner packing like the other one did, but okay. I like it. And again, no blemishes, pretty nice welds on there. I think it is a very handsome piece. It will go on my RC51, and I will call it real.